Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a Love Me hair tutorial. Shout out to my sponsors of today's video. So we're going to try their 13 by 4 lace frontal wig in loose wave, I believe, and I will have everything in the description box below. But yeah, let's jump right into this install, and this is just the lace before. I have already gone ahead and pre-plucked it. If you guys would like a pre-plucking tutorial, make sure to head over to my TikTok video. So yes, let's get into it, girls.
Suit and a mini coupe sitting on dubs. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jocking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. So what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks to drink. We got drunk and man, I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back. And man, I think that we hit on something proper like. I like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I met the bartender. Okay, I like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I met the bartender. Okay. Good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Triple shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working every club, so I'm getting in free. Wednesday night I'm on the list, T-Pain plus 3. Every time I hit the spot, baby girl taking care of me. How do you think I feel? Ooh, she made us drinks to drink. We got drunk, and now I know she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and man, I think that we gon' have fun at my spot tonight. I like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I met the bartender. Okay, I like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I met the bartender. Okay. Shorty, I'm sure you heard that I rarely ever come out. Unless I'm in the M6 doing tricks, freeway burnt out. Got a pass in your side that's empty, wanting it to be your spot. But you on my billboard, looking at the charts, I can end up on top. Don't smoke, don't drink, that's why I don't be by the bar, baby. Just looking at you from a distance, looking like a goddamn star, baby. So my girl don't see me T-Pain, can I get those keys to the car? The go ring, bang, bang, boogie with my cutie and I see you. She said that's drinks to drink. We got drunk, and now I know she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and man, I think that we gon' have fun at my spot tonight. I like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I met the bartender. Okay, I like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I met the bartender. Okay.
On morning side, got no stake in the ride. If I take flicks with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces, cause the feds can't see those eyes. People I shouldn't be beside. When I was an actor, they would go Stratford just to sell food on Bieber's side. Plenty reasons why I'm this way, my girl, that's just one reason why. I seen you around at Soto enough, man, baby. Love on some idiot guys. Obedient guys, jokers and comedian guys. You know I'm like 6'2" and I write shoe love, but you love also medium guys. I wanna keep you on the beach till 6 a.m. so you see sunrise. Seeing you from the stage in the 100s, these must be eagle eyes. Pressing against me, thinking about entry, know you could tell it's a decent size. You wanna know the real me, girl, so you wanna see deep inside. If Chose has on a Chanel side bag, you don't wanna see him reach inside. But we know some demon guys with jealous and evil eyes. You know that's how Jesus died, you know that's how Julius Caesar died. I bet they were decent guys, I swear they remind me of me sometimes. I'm trying to be under your breast like peas and rice. You never get treated nice. Fool you once, that's fine, but you look dumb if you let them repeat it twice. 200 mil on the table, I hope I'm able to get this agreement signed. Told you I needed time, but really the truth is I don't believe in time. Feel like I've been here over 1,000 years, like since the medieval times. And I'm still just a cutthroat king, even though this is recent times. A man like that we're beefing with, but we don't do grieving time. Fuck teasing time, if I come inside, just breathing time. So much for idols, KMT with an eye roll. Knew that I made it when I had drivers holding my last name up in arrivals. Cinch might need vaccine when he see how this vid start going viral. If leaders there, then the masses there with grains in there like silos. The morning rain comes up my window, I swear I feel like Dido. J-A-U-M, how it looks when man put you in a jam like typos. Negotiation, asking for 20% of the company, that's my final. Realistic, the shit might M15 like I'm going through Tottenham High Road. If it's beef, I'll get that shame for bread and grease like I'm making gyros. Or I'm making gyros. So much for all these heroes. The numbers are good with me as long as it's comma to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Pass me a glass of the vino. If a girl try to take my Rolex, then buy some Valentino. I tell baby M what she did to the kid that eyeliner like emo. She didn't rock my clothing line when we had one shirt to go with the jeans though. Now a man like me and Clint can afford those hoods like Gran Torino. Gooda, gooda, gooda.
So this was a natural like edge. I honestly like am loving it. I'm not even gonna add like baby hairs. I'm honestly just gonna wear it like this. It's almost giving me like closure, but if you want to tuck your hair behind your ear, you can. But like I'm just loving like that down look, that in my face. Like I feel so pretty with this hair. I feel like it was an instant, like immediate, like I just didn't have to do much. And I don't know, I'm loving this hair in its natural state. I'm loving it naturally plucked. It's giving natural. I don't got no lashes on. It's giving natural babes. And I'm loving it. I like this wig. I would rate this on my affordable hair side. I would give Luv Me a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Luv Me hair. I'm gonna give y'all a 9.5. I can't get nobody no 10 until I know it's a 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I'm gonna give Luv Me hair a 9.5 out of 10, okay? And we're gonna see if some other hair companies is rolling better. The hair is very soft. I'm not getting shedding. It's just feeling really good. It was easy to pluck. I do feel like it was plucked a great amount. I just made it a little bit better. And I think it's gonna just get even prettier when I do decide to add some baby hairs. But for right now, honestly, like I'm loving this vibe. This looks so freaking cute to me. I feel so pretty. I feel like a Bahama mama. Like it's giving. It's definitely giving. Like what? Do y'all see? Let me zoom y'all up in. Let me zoom y'all in. Hold on. The hairline. The hairline is giving Scalpiana. It's giving Born With It. It's giving what wig? It's giving the girls what wig. I really like this. Okay, Luv Me. I mess with it. It's a vibe. I think I might even edit this and put this out tomorrow. Like this is very pretty. Like I feel so beautiful in this wig. It was so easy. It's so lightweight. You know, I wash my hair. It smells good. The hair is soft. I know this hair is gonna flat iron good, but come back for an update. I don't know, the lace just looks so good. Honestly, I really don't have no more to say. Like this is a really good wig. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. a comment. A coupon code will be below so you can save the most money. I got y'all. Thank you again, Love Me Hair, for sponsoring this video. And honestly, y'all did y'all thing. I'm happy when I don't have to do a bad review because you know your girl is honest regardless. So I am very happy for them because this met my expectations. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.